Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A very happy Diwali to each and everyone watching my video. Wishing you a very happy Diwali filled with lots of happiness and joy. I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we learn the MS Excel from the very basics. Till now, we have learned the very basics of MS Excel starting from the interface and then going on with the formulas. In the prior video, I have told you the importance of using a table in the MS Excel by using which a little bit of your work can be automated. Let's see the further uses of creating a table in the MS Excel in today's videos. So make sure to watch the video till the very end so that you never miss any learnings in this series. Let's go directly into the Excel and learn something new today. Let's use this data and understand the further uses of creating a table. Now if you see at the data present in front of you is just a normal data. That is, I have not inserted any table for this data. And now if I just go above, you can see that there are certain values or amount mentioned over there. And I have created a table for this data present over here. If you see the values where I have selected, I have already created a table for that values. You can also check there are drop down and a table like symbol which represents that this has been created as a table. And now if I come below, now what happens is I come and add a new product. Suppose I add H which is having a rate 50 and the quantity 200. Now at the amount column you see that I have to again enter the amount over here and it's not getting manual and it's not getting automatically fetched based on the formula which I have given above. If you see at the slight above product over there, that is G, the amount is 8660. This is nothing but B24 into C24, that is nothing but 65.12 into 133. Now if I want the same result below, I have to just come and copy the formula again. And over here too, I have given a formula which, if you see, is mentioning if D24, that is if the amount is greater than 8000, I want great, if not, I want good. Here too, it's not fetching automatically and I have to come and manually copy paste the formula to get the result. I press Ctrl D, which is nothing but copy pasting the above formula to the below mentioned cells. Now what is the difference between using the normal data and creating a table for the data? Now if I come over here and if I again include or add a new product over here where the data is being defined as a table, let's say suppose I add H 50 and now the quantity as 200, you can see that the amount and the status column is automatically fetching because I have inserted a table or converted the data over here into a table. It's able to fetch the formulas automatically and give the results one below the other. Now the amount column is mentioned as 0, so in the status column it's coming as good. Suppose I put 200 over here and press enter. Now see the difference. The amount column is automatically fetched by the formula and the amount is written as 10,000, and the status column, which was earlier showing good, now automatically turns into great because the amount is greater than 8,000. This was the use of using a table in the MS Excel. This automates a small portion of your work which is time saving and helps you do your work in a faster and efficient manner. As mentioned, these were the uses of the table by which you were able to automate a slight bit portion of your work in MS Excel and do your work in a faster and efficient manner. There are many more such formulas or functions which you can use in Excel and get your work done. So to get the learnings and to remember the formulas, you have to just click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get the message and you come to the YouTube and learn from my videos. Thank you for watching the video till the very end, and I'll see you all in the next video with the new learnings and new formulas. Thank you and have a good day.